Hey, welcome to the special family edition of Rasp Reviews, where I have my co-host here. What's your name? The name is So today we're testing out the Science Experiment 150. Is that a volcano? Oh, look! We get some eyeglasses and some colors and some foam pieces and your very own beaker and some measuring cups and a funnel and a ball and another measuring beaker and some test tubes. Oh man, we got so much stuff here. There's still more coming. We got some measuring spoons. We got, I don't know what that is. It looks like a straw. A gold bar. Man, we rich. Oh, and this will hold your little test tubes. So look, we'll go like this. All right. I don't know. Don't take anything apart yet. We got to figure out what everything is. And we got some baking soda. We've got some absorbent resin. We've got some crystal growing powder.
Daddy, we can go there.
And some citric acid. And a book of experimental manuals. Oh, and we've got some paper with some flowers on it. Okay, that's everything in the box. So let's try out one of our experiments first. First, we'll get your eyeglasses ready. Will they fit you? Let's see. Oh, look at you. Perfect. All right, so let's see. Let's just look at the first experiment that we have on here. And, whoa, that's crystal growing, so that might be a while. So let's try the volcano eruptions. Sound good?
No.
So we are going to try the science experiment, make a bouncy ball. Let's get all of our equipment together. So we need the ball mold. So that's this. We need bouncing ball powder. So which one do we want to do? Do we want a blue, orange, or green?
Blue.
Blue, okay. We'll move these off to the side. All right, so we have everything we need there. So steps. Put the ball mold sides together until they snap into place. So, okay, put your glasses on. Put your glasses on. Okay, can you close this?
I can. So what is this?
Okay, we're going to pour that into here. Let's use your funnel. That might make it a little bit easier for you. So let's put your funnel there. And let Daddy open this. Okay, hold this. And now pour it in. Okay.
That is not going like here.
It's okay. All right, so next, pour water into a cup. So I'm going to put some water in here. Okay, and now, very carefully, nope. We're going to slowly put this inside there. The whole thing, just like this, and let it go in the water. Let it go. Okay. All right, that's going to sit in there in water about 5 minutes. So let's... What are you doing? You weirdo.
Do you want to take my glasses off? Yes?
Yeah, you can take them off.
That from the picture?
Yeah. You ready to count down? Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Here we go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
2.
Okay, take it out. All right. Okay, hold on. All right, now let's open it and see what happened. Ready? Okay, now we gotta let it dry, okay? So we're gonna let it sit off to the side. We'll let that dry for 30 minutes, and then you can play with that. While we're waiting for that, we'll make the slime. The other thing that we're gonna try is the Elmer's Magical Liquid for slime.
I'm gonna go first.
So we have tried making slime numerous times, and we can just never get it right. But we found this at the store, so we're gonna see how well that works. So, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead and pour that in, ma'am. So this is just regular Elmer's glue. This one is clear. This is the first time we're using the clear. Usually we use the white, the normal regular school glue.
Look at
Make
that.
sure we get everything out. So the instructions for this is you add the glue. So typically what happens is you add glue, baking soda, and eye contact lens solution. But it always like dried out too quick. So I found this magical liquid. It replaces both the baking soda and the contact solution. So first we're gonna pick a color for our slime. What color do you want? Blue? Okay, let Daddy open it. Okay, go put some in. So you add whatever colors you want to the glue itself. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Not gonna mix.
And then you just mix that up. So our little assistant here will mix. And while she's doing that, it takes a 1/4 cup of this solution. So this bottle, I think I paid like, ooh, careful, go slow. I think I paid like $5 for that bottle. Okay, slow, slow. And it will do 4 batches. Okay, so let me get a 1/4 cup measuring cup. 1/3. 1/4. Okay, so we'll take a 1/4 cup of our solution here. All right, we'll put a 1/4 cup in here. All right, we're going to add that to our glue and our food coloring. Good. Now mix. Slow, 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 slow. Oh, I see it coming together. Here, let Daddy help a little bit.
It's dry.
Not yet. So as it starts coming together, get your hands in there and start mixing it up a little bit more. And the more you mix it, the more consistent it gets.
Undelectable. I want just my hands.
Yeah, hold on. Daddy's going to get it to a point where it's not going to leave a mess like that on your hands. And then you can...
Give me to it.
Oh, hold on. I think we got way too much food coloring in here. I hope this comes off. Wait, I want to make sure it doesn't leave any stains on you. Oh gosh. So, note for you, if you try this, don't let the little one control how much food coloring goes in there.
Now, give me Georgian. Give me Georgian.
Huh?
What happened? I'll get it for you.
No, wait.
No. Hey, Daddy.
I know. So I think I'm going to say this is a 10 out of 10. Would not recommend. This is a nightmare.
That's what happened.
Look at it. Show.
Can we have this?
No. I got about 2 hours before Mom comes home, so I better figure it out.